today's video. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. And this is the first video of 2021 that I show my face. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you a few things that I got from the dollar store and one or two things that I got from the 99-cent store. So let's get started with the items. I'm going to be showing you kind of scatterly here. I don't have a particular order. The first thing that I'm going to show you, it was a few things that I already have bought, like these Valentines, Happy Valentine's Day heart wall decor. I'm going to spruce it up a little bit more. I liked how it looked. I don't know why. Now I don't like it as much, but I got it. So I got that. Then I also got these ribbons. This ribbon says like a burlap kind of thing. One of them, I'm not sure if it's a monkey or it's a koala. Then the two of those are hearts, craft purposes and things. Then I got some of the pink filling shredded paper. Then I got these very famous now little plushes. They also had another fourth color which I didn't like. It was brown and pink, I think. So I got these this combination with the blue, with the red and the gray. I think my favorite one's the gray and the pink. They're so cute. Then I also got these two. I didn't see them anywhere else. I think somebody left them. They're 2-in-a-pack treat bags, and they're kind of like burlap fabric, and they have those hearts. And I also got actually this one was from the 99-cent store. It's just these little baggies with the unicorn. This one was from the 99-cent store, not from the dollar store. And I also, should I go Valentine-ish first and then continue from there? I think I will. Then the next Valentine-ish thing is these DIY stickers. These DIY stickers are wood, and they do have a little dot there to stick them. They have the red, the wood, and then the pink one. The pink one has a little bit of glitter to it. I don't know if you could tell, but it has a little bit of glitter. And I also got the doorbell, what do you call it? Yeah, doorknob hanger. And they also have it in red, and this is the pink and white. I like the pink and white better than the red because it's very, very typical. Okay, the next thing is, I'll show you. I got these mirrors. They have them in green and black as well. I got white and blue for a purpose, a DIY purpose. I got these permanent markers by Jot. They have 4-in-a-pack. I also got these dices for a DIY as well. They're 4-in-a-pack foam dices. Some dollar stores do carry the wood pieces, wood cubes, but they are $1 each, and then you get two for $1. So I think it's better. These other ones, color your own ornament. It's hearts, and they kind of are like die cut. I like it. Kind of going like mixed in. And then I got these scatter. I think I got two of these. This one, I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but they have little kisses. They have little lips. This one right here is a little lip, and then the diamonds, and then the hearts. And then these hearts are more like a jaggedy, kind of like a ring kind of type of thing. And they are 60 pieces. Then I got these. There was the only one there. The soap dispenser brush. I've seen this being used in many TikToks and many other things. They put their dish soap or their thing, they scrub their toilet. And then I also got the little replacements for that. And I got 3 of these Crafter Square craft storage boxes I needed to sort out a few little things that I have. And I got it in white. They also have it in pink and red and in blue, I think. I got 3 of those. Then I got 3 of these baggies. I put a candy on my things that I sell over on Nena Creations. If you haven't followed me, and Nena Creates in Instagram as well, or TikTok, and you can find me there. And I put candies, and I think these are good quality and they're cute. They are 7 pieces, and they were on the register. So here's the other scattery thing that I got. I also found this one. I wish I had to find more. It looks like it's like glass, but it's not. It's plastic. It's a pen, stylo. And it's so cute. Look at that. It has sparkly. It has sparkles, and it looks almost glass, but it's not. And it has hanging this little heart. And I also got this fastener dots. They're all the Velcro dots. And I also got 2 of these from the Crafter Square, as well as the pearl beads. They do have the bigger ones. I already have those, and I got these smaller ones. I got this Sharpie brand, but this is the fine tip. They also had the regular Sharpie, like kind of like this, but it was 1 for $1, and I really needed the fine one more than the other kind. I also got these name badges labels. There's 25 in a pack. They have it in orange, blue, and green, and I got the red one. I use these to put fragile on my packages when I send my packages. Whenever I sell them, they're really helpful, because if they put a fragile sticker from the post office, they charge you a heck of a lot. And then I got this Glad double seal sandwich zipper bags. They come 22 in a pack. I think I got 2 of these. And then I got one more mirror. And then I got, here's the other one for that one. And I also got these Reynolds Wraps foil sheets for the sandwiches. They already come like cut for you. It's very handy for me to do the lunch. So they have 25 sheets, and it's $1. So I got 2 of those. Then I also got 3 of these. Can you eat your food first? Thank you. I got 3 of these all-purpose caulk or mastic tote all-purpose caulk. I got 3 of these. I had seen the, I think I got 3. I guess I got 2. What? Maybe it's in another bag. I had seen the other 2B, but it's $1 as well as this one is $1. I wouldn't understand why would you get the smaller one when you could get the big one. Then I got one of these mops, cotton head mops for a DIY. I've used one of these before for the Christmas gnome wreath that I did. Then I got this one. The girls got it. It's a little cupcake sponge. It's a bath sponge. They also had the figure of the rainbow, but I thought the cupcake was a bit cuter, so they got that one for their bath. And then I got these 3D stickers, and I got 2 packets of these, and these are, you can see here, 2 of Ariel, Moana, 2 of Cinderella, 1 Rapunzel, 2 of Moana, not Moana, 2 of Mulan, and 1 for the Sleeping Beauty. And they are like 3D. Hopefully you could tell. They're like pop-up. And I got 2 of these. They also had 1 for trolls. They got for the LOL dolls and dinosaurs as well. But I thought these were cute. They come in handy for other things that I'm going to be doing. The other things that I got were 2 of these adult puzzles. Look at this. They are so beautiful. I'm gonna do them, and I do like Mod Podge them into something. I thought they were beautiful. They're the 11 by 14, and look at this. This one is very cute. Look at that's how it will look, and it's most and if not all of my favorite princesses. Of course, Ariel's my favorite. Belle, and then this is Aurora, and this is Jasmine. These 2 are 2 of my favorites. I should have put Rapunzel, but anywho. And then this one has almost all of them, and it's more like a retro kind of one. I could see almost all of the princesses. I can see Mulan, Cinderella, Rapunzel, Snow White, Jasmine, Aurora, Belle, and Ariel. Yep, pretty cute. I'm gonna be doing these very soon. I think that's oh, and then I found this one. This is the sand catchers Disney Princess. It includes 3 sand catchers. These 3, look at that. The biggest one is Mulan, then they have Ariel, and then Rapunzel, and they are one set, and they include the paint, the brush, and the little things. They also had one for Toy Story. They had for Cars. I can remember they had a few ones. I thought it was a cute little deal, and then for the kids to get entertained with something. I got these face masks. They're $2.99, and these face masks come with they come with a little filter. I already got 2 of them. They were $2.99 though. They were not $1, but it's worth it because I'm gonna show you. My daughters already are using one of them. Look, it comes like this. It comes with this little thing here. This is fabric, so you can wash it. Then it comes with the little filter, and they call it a PM2.5 that you can slide through here and put it in there and take it out when you're gonna wash it. And it comes with this supposedly little filter, and these are mermaid cats. And I like that it had this little adjustable thing. This is like elastic, and then you can move it a little shorter, so if their ears or their face is a bit smaller, or you can move it up. $2.99 face mask. Look at this, and it says that wash your hands before. It says extra protection filter, the PM2.5, and the carbon filter. Supposedly I think this is the other one, carbon filter, for the $2.99. I think it's really nice. If you don't make them, or if you want more, to have more, this is a good thing to have. And yeah, that is all that I got from the Dollar Tree. Hopefully you guys like. I think my very favorite gotta be the puzzles from everything. I went to find something in particular, and I found some other things that I hadn't found in other times that I went, but yeah, that is great. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.